So many of you have been asking me if batteries are getting worse or if they are getting better. So my humble opinion is they are not getting better or worse. I do think that in general they're getting better. But what has been happening is that the energy requirements of stuff you've been using, such as, well, nowadays even a remote control has some AI chip that uses more battery than the older versions. Therefore, I do think that the batteries haven't got actually worse, but have gone better. And also the requirements, the demanding of energy of the devices we currently use also demand a lot of energy. So my humble opinion is just buy great actual batteries. Here we've got Duracell that has been around for ages. Power King, I've been using it lately and it works pretty well. And I think that in general you just have to try and be optimized. I sometimes buy bulk batteries because we use them quite a lot here on the channel. Just buy bulk and you'll get a discount. Other than that, I can't do any more recommendations. Brands that work well, I'm with Duracell. It has been here for ages and it works pretty well. So this isn't publicity, this is just my humble opinion. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments, and thank you very much for watching.